Hi, this is Jason from the QuickBooks team. When you start using QuickBooks, it's important to understand how to get around the program. Let's go over 3 important parts of QuickBooks that help you get to what you need: the home page, the icon bar, and then the menu bar. First, let's look at the home page. The tasks and workflows on the home page show you how to use QuickBooks to run your business. The home page displays icons for your most common tasks and organizes them into related groups. The arrows represent workflows and show how tasks relate to each other. It's important to perform tasks in the proper order. For instance, you should enter an invoice for a customer before you receive their payment. Whenever you select an icon from the home page, QuickBooks opens a new window so you can record info related to that task. Another way to access the features of QuickBooks is the icon bar. First, you'll see your shortcuts, a list of tasks and windows you use most. Customize shortcuts to add your own. Let's say a customer calls to ask about their balance. Select Customers, and you can see the name of the customer and their balance. Then your colleague asks for a profit and loss statement, so you select Reports and run the profit and loss standard. The icon bar lets you quickly perform these tasks. When you select the icons, the windows open on top of each other, and it's hard to switch between them. Not only can you use the icon bar to start activities, you can use it to switch between tasks. Select Open Windows, and then select any window you want to get back to. The icon bar also gives you convenient access to important balances for your company, such as bank and credit card balances. You can also run your favorite reports directly from the icon bar. There's one more important part of the screen: the menu bar. Just like most programs on your computer, there's a menu bar across the top of the screen. QuickBooks groups the menus by function. This is similar to the home page, but you'll notice the menus from the menu bar usually have more tasks than the home page does. That's because the home page is a collection of the most common activities, while the menu lists a few options you use less often. Now you're ready to get around QuickBooks like a pro.